So you want to get started vaping. There's a lot of stuff involved with this. It's an interesting process, and we are here to guide you on your journey.
And we got 5 things you need to know before you start vaping.
That's right. So, number 1.
Don't think that you're going to quit cigs right out the gate. It's going to be kind of a little transitional period, if you will.
Oftentimes, people will do both at the same time to help transition away from cigarettes and into vaping so you can get comfortable with it. The experience is a little different, obviously, since it isn't smoke, it's vape. You have to get used to something new, so don't expect to just quit cigs right out the gate.
Right out, yeah. And my suggestion to you would be to keep track of your cigarette consumption if you're trying to quit them, and make sure you're reducing the amount of them every week. Number 2.
Take it slow when starting. There's so much nicotine you can get in these juices, anywhere from 3 milligrams up to 50 milligrams.
Or even more.
And you don't really know what's appropriate for you right now because you're just starting. So start low.
Yeah, and when companies say that this is the same as a cigarette, you know, when it's like a Juul is made to have the same kind of nicotine per hit as a cigarette, it's like we said last time, it's a completely different thing. So your throat is not used to hitting vape like it is used to smoking, you know?
Exactly.
So it's going to be different. It will be harsh to you, and you know, you don't want to start off at a too strong rate and then decide to quit because you can't handle it.
Right, and if you were smoking light cigarettes and just jumped into 50 nic on a pretty heavy hitting device, it could make you sick, and that's something you want to avoid at most costs. So ease into it slowly, and then you find your sweet zone, and once you're there, you'll be really happy.
Yeah.
Number 3.
It's expensive out the gate. When you start, you got a lot of startup costs, but over time you will save money. Like juice, for example, it costs twice the amount of a pack of cigarettes. Maybe in some places a little more than that, but it will last you a month or so. So at the end of the day, you do have to spend more every time you buy stuff, but you're buying stuff way less.
Right.
Number 4.
When you get your vape and you've been comfortable and you take it out with you and you go into a social setting, people will want to hit it.
People are fiends.
They love vape.
Nicotine.
I don't know what it is.
Juul is an all-time high made vaping huge. So anytime somebody sees you exhaling a cloud of smoke, they want some of that shit.
Yeah, so keep an eye out for people who are trying to hit it. Nobody wants to get sick, and sharing your vape is a great way to get sick.
Yeah, I do share my vape, but you know, you kind of want to, if somebody walks up to you and they're coughing or they're sniffling and shit, and they're like, "Can I hit your vape?" I'd be like, you know what?
No, you know what? No, why don't you go smoke a cigarette or something? I hit somebody else's vape.
I'm not trying to wake up tomorrow dead.
Exactly. And so, watch out for that. That is a big thing.
Yeah.
Like, anytime I take a vape out, we go anywhere, people are like, oh my God, can I hit your vape? And it's ridiculous. The last thing you got to know about when you're switching to vaping is, Nate?
Watch reviews. Watch device reviews, professional reviews on YouTube.
For
example, the channel you're on right now.
Exactly. You don't want to go and spend a lot of money on a product just to find out it's a piece of shit and it pisses you off. There's a lot of dedicated people out there, not just us, although we do a lot of videos, who will tell you everything you need to know about a product before you go and buy it. Now, with us, when you want to buy a product, we have the best price for it around in our description. So, you know, you'll know that when it's time to buy one, you have a killer deal, which is great. But you know, there's a lot of people who give you different perspectives on devices. And
what I've noticed in the vaping community with these reviews and stuff, most very popular people that do reviews, they kind of just sit down like a tech review and give you all the specs and everything. That's not quite what we like to do here. If you like the way this video is, where it's really straightforward, we're telling you exactly what we think. That's what all our videos are. We sit down and we tell you why we like something. We don't just sit here and be like, the battery's this big, this is this, this is that.
Because that's boring.
That's boring. We're here to tell you,
what you
need to know.
And the cool part is, if you have any vape questions, you know, say you get something and it's not working the way you want, or you're interested in a product and you want to know what we think, you can always go to our website and ask us directly, and we get back to you really quick, which is great. A lot of people have successfully transitioned to vaping because of it, and we're so happy.
Yeah. We love to see it, guys. We love it.
But that's about everything you need to know if you want to start vaping. And if you have any questions, as we said, go to our website or ask us, or drop a comment down below. Maybe somebody else can help you out.
Yeah, we got a community here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Drop a like too.
Drop the likes. Drop them.
That's right. Now do that and don't do anything else but watch our videos because we love you. So until next time, guys.
Peace out.